Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this bolt unstuck from your swing arm adjuster bolt. So this thing was stuck in there. I already got it out, but I'm going to show you the steps I did to do it, and then how to fix the threads afterwards using a tap and die kit that you might need to use. So this thing was stuck. I thought it was like corroded on the back, but it turns out it was just the threads that were ripped and stuck into it. So what I had to do was get oxygen tank and MAPP gas and put it together with the acetylene torch kit, and that helps it get really hot. So the goal was to get this thing just glowing hot so that I can expand the metal from the aluminum. And then I took an ice cube and shrunk, like put it on this bolt to shrink it as quickly as possible. And it was still hard, but yeah, you just had to keep going at it and turning it back and forth, and eventually I got it out. And then you can see all the threads were full of aluminum. So to do that, to fix that, that's where this kit comes in. It's a Mastercraft tap and die kit. What you gotta do first is figure out what bolt you have. So there's this kit sometimes comes with a thing to tell you. You put the bolt in and it'll tell you what size it is. So there's 6 and 8 and 10 and so on. And this one was an 8. I bet you if you used a micrometer, that's probably 8 millimeters. So, and then you got to figure out the thread depth. So to do that in the kit, you have this thing, metric, and you just start putting this on using each one, and eventually you find the one that fits perfect. So you can see these don't fit, doesn't fit. And then there it is, that one's spot on. So you flip it over, there's a number on it, 1.25. So now we know this bolt is an M8 and 1.25. So you just go down this list here and you find, and it turns out it was there, so it's in this thing that helps you hold it. So M8 1.25, and then all you gotta do is put it in and start threading it through. That'll clean up the threads. I went all the way through and then all the way back out. If this video is saving your day, just hit the subscribe button. Give me a tip. Thanks. So, all right, now you got to do the reverse. So that cleaned up this thing perfectly. And you got to find the same thing. So it's the M8 1.25. So it's somewhere here. I guess missing. Obviously, is on the floor. M8 1.25. If you can see that. And then you just thread it into here. The trick is to get it started slowly and make sure it's aligned. And yeah, you're gonna have to use pliers for this. It's not easy the first time when it's cutting. So yeah, it took like 20 minutes, but I had to go and just keep working it in slowly. And then it went all the way in, brought it all the way back out. And that's it. So once you unthread that, and say you screwed it up and these threads were completely done, like don't worry about it, because you can get another kit which will fix the threads completely. So it would replace it. It would make this a bigger hole, and then it would put in an insert which would actually get you back to the exact same bolt size that you started with. And then here it is, it'll just thread right in. And that's it. I think that's all you need to get out riding. So if this video saves your day, just make sure to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, here you go. You see it gets tighter as it goes in. And you're good to go. Good luck. Thanks.